Hi.
Well, it should be ready.
So I'm orange?
Yeah, this is your plane.
Okay. So it's going to be armed, throttle's down.
Yes, and it's not plugged in yet.
No.
So you're safe for here.
And then to launch it,
It's just
chuck it
a hard handle.
hard.
Throw it a little bit up and out hard.
Okay.
Fairly hard.
Okay.
And then once it's in the air, you can adjust the throttle as you see fit.
Sure. So I should take off with full throttle.
I think so, yeah.
I gotta get. Hey, Larry. Larry. I'm gonna get him to launch for me. Or Bernie, maybe you want to launch this for me.
Bernie's gonna launch.
Oh, you're doing it too.
I'm not going to launch your van and fly.
Yeah, you got two hands.
Yeah, that'd give me an upper hand, wouldn't it? Hey, Larry. Can you launch this for me? Because I don't want to launch it. What do you think I said? Green crepe paper, yours is black.
Yeah.
Am I going to be able to see your black? And
Black actually shows up better than your green will.
okay, good. I want to make sure I.
Back at our combat meets, we used to have everybody had a black screen. Because they're the easiest to see.
Okay, I'll just get out here. Okay.
Yeah.
I want you to give it a good chuck, if you would.
And throw it probably about 20 degrees above the horizon. Okay, fairly hard. When he's at full throttle.
Let me go get my meter so I can do 20 degrees.
Well, just don't throw it down.
Are we ready to?
Are you doing it too, Lauren?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
he instigated this. I've never flown this thing. It's worth a try.
Who is it?
It's Lawrence. He says, you fly this and I'll fly that, okay. I told him I'd use my telemaster, but no. No, I wouldn't use my telemaster.
Oh, Bernie's going to go.
Yeah, Bernie's going to be one of them. What? He's down there, way down there with Don.
Yeah. Combat. Okay.
So it's a 5 minute, you got 5 minutes to cut the other guy's crepe paper. Tom's going to be the timekeeper. Where's that guy? No.
You need me to launch yours too, Bernie? Okay.
Oh, Tom, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Good.
That'll be fine. You're not allowed to be in this combat because you win. Well, I mean, if you didn't have a first place, then we would allow you in it. But otherwise,
That was just blind luck, you know what I mean?
no, I don't think so.
Yeah, this is just an amateur event.
Yeah.
Oh, it's amateur, all right.
Eyes
closed the whole time.
Yeah.
His fault he won. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to arm
Okay.
that. We ready down there,
Yeah.
Tim?
Tim,
Yep, Tom there is.
3 minutes or 5 minutes?
Okay,
Okay.
power's back. Where's the radio switch? Just plugging it in?
Plug it in. And
So
then
I'm
ready to
live?
go. Yep.
climb 3 minutes. But again,
Let me see if
whatever
the
you
controls
like,
are
30
okay.
seconds to get
Let's see if they're going right.
before he calls that start.
I think I'm at,
Left.
Lauren, I'm at low rate now.
Yes. With the back, yeah.
You think I'd get by with low rate?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you don't need
You
much.
have both of the rates switching back.
Check
Okay.
your elevator
Yeah,
now.
they're both back.
Check your elevator.
There's the elevator.
Okay. Now check your throttle.
Okay, watch it. Okay. I have never flown it.
Okay, ready?
Wait a minute, let Bernie. Okay, go.
I guess I need trim. You want me to spot? Oh, Bernie. Oh, good save. Good save, Bernie. Begin.
Begin, I already started.
Start.
Well, I'm done. What happened?
I crashed in the weeds.
You
I
did?
wanted to turn left at all. Didn't? Well, that's, you know what, it was the stream. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Hey, this is fun when it's not my airplane.
Holy mackerel, look at those are fast. Oh, that was close.
Okay, I'm back. Yep, you're back in.
Where are you going?
Oh, I better get over here.
Mike. Oh. Ooh, that was close. Tom Buck. Oh! Somebody got somebody.
I got a streamer. Oh, yeah. You got an extra one. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Oh, there you go. There's a man with a plan. There's 100 points. Yeah.
Hey, I don't like flying over my head.
No, stay out there.
One of them, you're probably going to win.
Hey, get that one. Get Tom. See, he's got that.
It's Tom.
Oh,
It's Tom.
there you go.
SPC? Yeah. I remember what was Kevin's last name? Mechanic. He had a tower trainer.
Get it. Oh, good shot. Oh, that was good, Nelson.
Like 4 or 5 heats. Never cut a ribbon, but didn't get cut. He brought his whole streamer back.
Oh.
All 5 rounds. Yeah. I'll be the guinea pig.
Sometimes surviving it. Okay, now we're going to be straight level.
That's harder than you think.
Is it? Oh. There you go. Now get it.
Hold still.
Hey, gotcha.
Somebody got cut, huh?
Yeah.
No, they
No.
won't let me play.
He scratched.
They won't let me play. They said something about steroids or something. I don't know what.
Tom, you really, we're just giving you a bad time. You really could fly.
I don't have it.
Oh, you didn't bring yours.
What was that? I better get behind the fence, huh?
Yeah. Why don't you? Here,
Well-
I'll move you back. You're fine, you're fine, you're fine. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Okay, you're good. Oh, Tom, that was close.
30 seconds remaining. Somebody getting serious in there.
Oh, Tom, that's Tom.
Yeah, he's serious.
In that B-40.
Yeah, that does a good job.
What do you fly?
I've got a bloody wonder.
I have no idea what that is.
That's one of those foam.
Okay.
Imagine a foam six. Yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Really stay 3 minutes.
Oh.
Time.
Boy, Tom can just turn on a dump.
Time.
That's time?
Time.
You keep fighting, it just won't count.
Well, I still got power. Where is everybody?
Most of those don't glide, so once you cut
Yeah.
power, it's coming down.
Oh, no wing.
Yeah, they
area.
just settle. They glide like a manhole. See, just like that.
Oh my. Yeah.
Yeah, you just cut power and they come down.
Well, I gotta build me one of these.
Yeah, they're cheap, $20.
Okay, then you get an option.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you buy the flight pack for $80. It's all the
Okay, I'll land.
You got a 2200 pack now, so
Yeah,
you
you
can fly.
got right.
You got it.
Well, I got no enemies.
Can
Doing good.
Can
Consider I never done that.
They needed you in there.
something like that. They said something about I was on some drugs, you know, enhanced drugs or something, steroids. So I
I couldn't play.
Bourbon is not a performance enhancing drug.
It isn't okay.
They don't land on my plane.
Good. Look at that. Take a picture of that.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
awesome.
There.